Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Apple Pie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Language Focus, we are going to learn about consonant blends. So, consonant blends, and we are going to achieve our SLO to recognize and identify consonant blends. Kl, br, dr, bl. Okay, this is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Isra verse 36, do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge. Yes, my dear children, what this verse is telling us? Beta, we should follow, we should pursue after gaining knowledge. Okay, and if we don't know something, we should not follow it. So, learn it and then follow it. And we are learning every day. Today we are going to learn another concept, and what is that? How do we say? What? Look at this image. What is this? It's a bag. And how do we say it? B, a, g. Right? Remember, this I've taught you by saying the individual sound, you blend it and you say the word bag. Right? And what are consonants? When we take these 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels, when you keep them separate, the rest are consonants. Okay, these 21 letters are consonant. So, blending sound means you say the sound and you merge it, you blend it, you say it together. So, what are consonant blend? These letters, so there will be blending sound of consonants. There will be no vowel sound in that. Do you understand? Okay, look at this. A consonant blend is a term used for 2 adjacent consonants. What does it mean? Means 2 consonants are coming together. So what we say in a word that represent 2 separate sounds. So whenever you find 2 consonants are there in one word, how you will pronounce it? You will say the individual sound, the sound of both consonants, and you will blend those sounds. That will become a consonant blend. Look at this. The most common beginning consonant blends are. So this is how you will find consonant blends in words. Look at this, it's B and L. Both are consonant, the first thing. Secondly, how will you say it? You will say you will pronounce the individual sound of each consonant and will blend it. So what is the sound of B? It's B. And what is the sound of L? It's L. So how you will say it? Bull, brr, kull, kur, der, fur, ter, full, gull, gur, pull, pur, sul, sum, thup, and sit. Mostly you will find these consonant blends at the beginning of a word. So wherever you find them, how you'll say it, let's practice it further. Now look at these words. This is the definition given in your book. A consonant blend is a combination of 2 consonants that are placed together, right? As we just find it. And now look at this. This is a word, and at the beginning of this word, you find a consonant blend. And how will you say this word? First, you will blend these 2 letters sound bleach. So how will you say it? Bleach. How you will read it? Bleach, right? So these 2, you quickly blend the sound and pronounce it. Bleach. Clown. So C, what is the sound of C? It's K. What is the sound of L? Is L. So how you'll say clown, 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 right? The next is brick, 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 right? Drip, drip, or drop, right? In both words, it's D and R. Both sounds you'll blend it and you'll say drip. Drip means the dripping of drops, the way this drop is dripping, okay? So it's drip, right? Do you understand? This is how we'll pronounce, we'll find a consonant blend in a word, and this is how we'll pronounce it. Okay, so let's practice it further. It's here in your book. All of you open your book on page number 44, and this is the practice. Say the name of each picture and underline the consonant blend. Now you will look at the picture, say its name, and find out which consonant blend it has. Okay, so what is this? It's a clock. Clock. So which consonant blend it has? Yes, it's clock. Clock. Likewise, you'll keep looking at the picture, find out which consonant blend this word has. Okay, so pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. Now it's time for your homework. You will write 5 words of consonant blends of these blends, okay? So with each blend, you will make 5 words and learn how to say it properly. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, once again, you will look at the picture and you will complete the word by placing a consonant blend, okay? And consonant blends are given here. You will choose the correct to complete the word. So what we have learned today, we recalled the concept of blending sounds. We recognized and identified consonant blends, and we practiced the consonant blends. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recognize and identify consonant blends. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.